In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rank data based on different columns. For example, let's extract the rows ranked from 5 to 10 based on sales. Or, based on costs, it's easy to create a rank between 10 and 15. I'm using the RANKFILTER function, which is a flexible solution. The first argument is the range, which contains data. The second argument is the starting rank, which is 10. Next, we provide the ending rank, which is 20. The last argument is the most interesting. It's a column selector. Here, you need to specify the number of the column you want to sort by. Since, in this case, it is the sales column, just enter 2. At first glance, it looks good. I'm verifying it by sorting the original table. Okay, it checks out. We did indeed get the rows ranked 10th to 20th in terms of sales. If you want to rank based on cost, change the last argument to 3. Okay, we have a fully dynamic ranking. There's a solution for earlier Excel versions without dynamic arrays and lambda. To make the formula easier to understand, let's give names to our ranges using the name box. Just select the range and add a name. Now, all we need to do is create a helper column that contains the row numbers. Using the index, match, and large functions, we'll identify the state with the highest sales. Then, we'll retrieve the corresponding sales value. Finally, we'll get the cost associated with that same row. All we have to do now is copy the formulas down. If you'd like to repeat the same logic for cost instead of sales, just replace sales with cost in the formulas. If you'd like to rank the data differently, simply adjust the values in the helper column. If you found this guide useful, subscribe for more tips and stay tuned.